Today we're going to see the patient that 11 months ago we did SMART FUE technique, and we want to see what is the result today. He is 24 years old, been suffering hair loss for the last 4 years. He was diagnosed male pattern hair loss level 3. To fill up the frontal temple angle on the left side, and this is the frontal temple angle on the right side. And it looks very natural. The angle, the direction is all correct. Very nice density and light unable to go through at the fallout area. The orientation of the slit on the hairline we used was sagittal. Only the single hair is planted on the hairline, and the first 2 rows still single hair. We create irregularity behind. We use a lateral slit or perpendicular slits, and double and triple hair is being planted. This is the donor area, 11 months now. The density looks good. Unable to detect that we have taken the hair from this area.
Now already 11 months, I'm very happy with the result. My hair looks very natural now. Thank you, Glojas Hair.